wanted to say hi. And somebody else wanted to say hi as well.
Hi guys.
I'm Carla from the Happy Mustard Seed, and
I'm Isabella from the Happy Mustard Seed.
And we're here to talk to you today about planners. Well, Isabella's choosing a new planner this year. I've had this planner since last year and I love it. And I talk about it all the time. And so she sees how much I use it, how much I love it, and how much it is like involved in our business life. And so she decided to switch from the planners that she's tried, and we've tried a lot of different planners. We won't name them here, but you switched over, and the planner we're using is Plum paper. All right, so go ahead and tell them some of the things that you loved about Plum paper.
So the benefits of why I chose Plum paper are because I can stay on top of things entirely, I can stay organized, and I can keep track of things that I've done.
Okay, so what kind of things are you talking about?
Like just tasks I complete.
So are you talking more along the lines of like your daily tasks, your monthly tasks, or is it a combination? Combination, okay. So what about, like the quality of it? What do you love about it? Because she was looking through my planner, right? And she was telling me, ooh, like there's a lot of oohs and ahs. And so we decided, you know what, we're gonna film a video and talk about how much we love it and show you some of the things that are inside of the planner. So it might be something that you'll choose. We actually have the same design, but the words inside of the planner are different. So, but what was one of the things that you told me that you really loved?
The gratitude pages. I think gratitude is a really good thing to have, and I thought it would be a great addition to my new planner.
I'm so excited. Okay, so I love that. I actually don't have gratitude pages in my journal, but I love the fact that that was something that Isabella really wanted to focus on. So I am going to support that and applaud that, because it is something that every person and every teenager, I think especially, should really look at and think about every day. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and get started with a couple different things. I will tell you that I love Plum paper. This is my Plum paper from last year, but I love the quality of the paper. That was something that we talked about, because there's no bleed through when you use the planner. So you can write and not see it on the next side. Well, I love the customization, and I think that was one of the things that you liked, right?
Yeah.
So do you remember some of the customizations?
There was you could choose different layouts, like vertical, horizontal, teacher, student, and
there are so many different things. There are so many different types of planners that you can choose, and there's like daily, there's weekly, and you can put in whatever you want. So, and we'll show you, we'll go into detail with that, a little bit more detail into that. And one of the things that I think Isabella liked was she could choose her day, so she can actually focus on what she wanted to put, because she saw my excitement for the same thing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open up our box here. We haven't opened it, we haven't taken a peek, so we don't have any idea what's in the box. Woohoo! All right. Ooh, are these, oh, stickers. No, Bella, these are for me.
no.
Oh, they're so cute. You see, she's already trying to grab the stickers. You see the hand? You see the hand up there in the corner? That's her. My hands are here. All right, so, oh, those are pretty. You know, I'm totally taking the mermaid and the unicorn. This is the colorful part of the planner. Hold on. This colorful part here. So underneath the plastic, there's that colorful part. That's this. And it tells you water resistant, tear proof, rigid and sturdy. Sample, try me. All right, you guys, you ready? You wanna try it? Look at that. I love that. I'm a little rough, but come on, this is really good. And I'm double twisting, right? To get that to bend. Hopefully you're not rough on your planner, like double twisting that, but look at this. I love that. Woo, as I shake the camera. Look at that. All right, love it. Look at that. Hello, perfect. All right, now this is my planner. And this is Isabella's planner. Okay, I did want to show you that it is sealed in a nice plastic. So I've received planners before that they've come and they've been messed up, and I can say with just total happiness that when this comes, it's not bent, scratched, torn, food or anything, or scraps of anything on it. It's glorious. So I love that they wrap it in this paper here. I know it's a little bit loud, but I did want to show you that. And Bella's opening hers as well. So there you go, there's my planner. And again, I still have that plastic on top, that hard gloriousness. And then that cover, again, that doesn't want to bend, this cover, that's this material. Okay. I think that the next time I order my planner, I am going to order it without colors, because the colors don't correlate to the month. So like the fall months don't necessarily have fall colors. The winter months don't necessarily have winter colors. You know, I love purple, but December to me is not purple. But hey, I didn't change it. I totally forgot. So it must not have bothered me that much, right? So this is my new 2020 planner. Again, I'm so excited. This is the first time I'm looking at it. Okay.
It's so pretty.
I know, I love it. Okay, so I start off in December. We've got the same thing as far as the very beginning. I've skipped pages, but the front part is all the same. 2020. And then we have, oh, that's weird. I just noticed that. I don't have 3 years. I have 2019 and 2020. There's no 2021. Okay. So is there a 2021 in the back? Yes, it's in the back. All right. Again, the special dates are up at the front. The ideas, plans, and goals is up at the front. Ooh, nice. And then we go in directly into December. Same thing with the goal 1, 2, and 3. Birthdays, events, things to remember, and then that notebook page is there. The month on 2 pages is the same. Again, I didn't change anything here. I'm not sure if you can customize this page. I wouldn't want to. It's perfect the way it is, aside from having lines. Ooh, I wonder if they can customize and allow us to put lines in there. That would be so awesome. All right, so now here is the difference of my planner from what I had before. From my old planner from 2019, December, November 2019. And you can see it says my top 3 blog, social, and marketing. And then the first page, I have my calendar. Instead of to do, I decided to use tend. We just changed the wording to go more along with our brand, because this is how we typically speak when we're working on things, is we have our tending, our weeds, and we also have our seeds. Then we have our blog and our PR, our social media and our marketing got combined. So I took out the section that was social and marketing, and combined them. I put my top 3 at the bottom, and then I moved the top 3 from here in the old planner and put it at the bottom of the new planner. And up here, instead, it's my seeds. So my seeds are basically all of the things that I'm going to be doing to reach out to new businesses, new clients, new restaurants. That all goes up here for me. And then I have things that I'm following up with, my blog, following up with my PR, things that I need to work on there. And then here I have my tending list, things that I have to work on frequently, and then my breakdown of my weeds. And I'll go over all of that. If you guys are interested, just let me know, and then I'll break down those things for you in another video and show you a little bit more about it. But this is just basically to show you how easily it is to customize. And I'll show you the pages so that you can see the colors. And then I'll show you the old one as well, my current one, so you can see. So again, we've got the top 3, blog, social, marketing, YouTube, and to do in my old one. And then in my new one, I've got tending, weeds, seeds, blog and PR, social media, and my marketing, and top 3. So just a few changes, but those changes are really how we work in the business. Okay, so this is all of December, and the months all look the same. You've got that same quality paper, the same quality tab. Okay, and it goes all the way through. And I ordered dispersed pages, so I'll show you that really quickly. Here we go. I've got the February here, notebook page, like the same in the older planner. And then I've got an extra notebook page. And I ordered the dotted lines, the grid paper, and that was it. Just so that I have, again, everything within 1 month is right here. I don't need to flip back and forth to different sections. I don't need to flip back and forth. Everything's here, which I love. And I usually, this planner, you can pick it up by the rings with no problem, which I love. And this is typically how I use my planner. I pick it up, I do this, I do things like this, move it around, and I absolutely adore the durability and the functionality of this planner. I'm more of a functional planner than a sticker planner. I'll start off with a few stickers, but then eventually just move straight to function. All right, so Isabella's gonna walk through her planner with you. So we're gonna get that all set up, and we'll be right back.
Hi, we're back. I just want to start off by saying this is like the most beautiful planner I've ever owned. It's so pretty, and I've never had this much customization inside of a planner, so I'm going to be really excited to flip through and see what it looks like for the first time.
You're excited? I'm excited. I'm like, hurry up and open it already.
Okay, here we go.
Ooh. Isn't it like baby soft? I love that.
I know. And then I have the front cover for October.
Ooh, you started in October.
Yes. And then basically the same as my mom's. I just have October monthly highlights, goal number 1, goal number 2, goal number 3. And then I have birthdays, events, things to remember, and miscellaneous notes. And then I just have a notes page.
Oh, so you didn't get extra notes pages like I did. Or did you? I don't know. Let's flip through and look.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have the same month on 2 pages.
Yes, the monthly layout for 2019.
Ooh.
And then I got this week notes, priority, me time, THMS, and career.
Nice. So break down your priority. So her priority section, we decided not to do a top 3 because she doesn't necessarily have 3 things to do for priority each day. But my old planner, not Plum paper, but a planner that was a printable planner that I used to use, had a section for, they didn't call it me time, they called it self-care. So this is her me time. It could be self-care, it could be reading, which is also considered self-care, but this is her time that I expect for her to fill out every day. Even if it's 15 minutes, that's the required minimum, is like 15 minutes of just taking care of herself, because if she doesn't take care of herself, she can't help anybody else. So there you go. And THMS stands for the Happy Mustard Seed. What is your career cover?
So this consists of everything from my business to classes I need to take for my business.
Okay, so like ongoing education and things like that.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I like that. She's very career oriented, so I do love that she picked a section that was just for that.
Okay, so the next page I have is gratitude pages. So as you can see, it just says, I am grateful for, and then because. So here we have the habit tracker, and then you can just put the week here, and then your habits, whether it's water, exercising, swimming, and then you can mark off what days you did, and then we have habit reflection, So my successes for those days, and then my shortcomings, and then next like a task for next month I will, and then I have notes that I can work on improving.
So did you do all those habit trackers and everything all throughout the planner? Oh, you did. I see it right there.
Yes. It's on the back of everything. Every month I got it dispersed.
Oh, okay, perfect. And that was something that we kind of talked about with the planner, was whether or not she was going to get it dispersed throughout the month or have it at the very end. And I told her my struggles that I was having with having everything at the very end of the planner. Some people work very well that way, and again, it's a personal preference. For me, that preference was not to have it in the back because I literally stopped using it after a few months, and it was a struggle during the few months that I used it. So this way, it's right there. Every month you're like, oh no, I've got to do my tracker. Let me make sure I do that. Or you can leave it, your 2 pages open to your tracker, right? You can leave it open to your desk if that's what you want to make sure you're tracking in the beginning of the morning. Like if you have, you know, Bible that you want to do, your 6 ounce or 8 ounces of water, whatever it is, she can track all of that here. Right? Does that sound like what you were talking about before?
Yeah.
Okay. You can see that her planner is all the way through, what'd you get? Oh, September. So October to September. She also has the colorful tabs, which I love. You can see them here. Wonderful tabs. And then my new planner is December through December. There we go. That is our take on Plum paper. We both really love it, and you can see that we got some different customizations. Again, let's do, and we'll take some pictures and put some things on the blog too. So if you want to go through that, you can look at that as well. So again, Isabella's December is probably, you know, this week, and I have 10. She has notes, I have weeds. She has priorities, I have seeds. She has me time, I have blog. She has the happy mustard seed. I have, again, because this is her everything planner. This isn't just her work planner. It isn't just her school planner. It's just not her career planner. This is everything for her. So mine is not everything for me. Mine is everything work. Everything that's work related goes in here. I will, you know, sometimes put in at the top, if I have an appointment or something, I will do a line down and then just put that appointment time. So I remember, hey, when you first get up in the morning, don't sit down to work for 2 hours because you have to be out of the house for 2 hours. So that's the only difference there. But as you can see, her bottom is career, my bottom is top 3. So these are the differences in our planners, Isabella's planner and my planner. I think Isabella's thinking about maybe doing, and if you guys are interested, seeing her do like a plan with me, or you know, video plan with me, or you would like to see her do some pictures plan with me and post it on the blog, she would be more than happy to do that. Just let us know and she can get that done. Let us know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.